Dangerous foods your dog should never eat. There are numerous reports of dogs dying as a result of eating human food. Here are some foods that your dogs should never consume. Milk and dairy products. Dogs lack enzymes that break down lactose in milk. As a result, milk and dairy products can cause digestive issues as well as trigger food allergies. Small consumption, on the other hand, is unimportant. Avocado is one of the fruits that, if consumed by your dog, may necessitate the services of a veterinarian. Avocado contains persin, a fungicidal toxin that can cause diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and heart congestion. The avocado pit contains persin, and is thus the most dangerous part of the avocado. Raw fish may contain bacteria that are toxic to dogs. Furthermore, some fish are infected with a parasite that causes fish disease or salmon poisoning disease, with symptoms including fever and enlarged lymph nodes. If you want to feed your dog's fish, make sure it's cooked so the parasites are killed. Artificial sweetener or xylitol. Dogs are extremely sensitive to xylitol, an artificial sweetener. A small amount can result in low blood sugar, seizures, liver failure, and even death. You must exercise caution because xylitol is commonly found in sugar-free foods. Cat food is high in protein and fat, and if it is continuously consumed by dogs can cause stomach upset, obesity, and even pancreatitis. Chocolate contains theobromine, a stimulant, as well as caffeine. This stimulant has an effect on the organs of the dog, including the gut, heart, kidneys, and central nervous system. In dogs, the symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, an increase in heart rate, seizures, and hyperactivity. These symptoms could appear 4 to 24 hours after consumption. Although the amount of theobromine in the dog's system and thus the symptoms vary depending on the amount and type of chocolate consumed. In a dog, macadamia nuts can cause weakness, depression, tremors, vomiting, and an increase in body temperature. The symptoms appear within 12 hours of consumption and can last for up to 48 hours. It could also be fatal, especially when combined with chocolate. Grapes and raisins are harmful to dogs because they can cause kidney failure. It is not a matter of quantity because even a small amount can cause a dog to become ill. Despite the fact that the toxic substance responsible is still unknown. Because a small number of grapes and raisins have killed dogs, experts have agreed that there is no safe dosage. Apple seeds. Apple is good for dogs, but make sure the seeds are removed. Amygdalin, a natural chemical found in apple seeds, is known to be present. When this chemical is digested, it releases cyanide into the dog's bloodstream. Don't worry if your dog accidentally eats 1 or 2 of the seeds. The chemical can only be harmful in large quantities. Dogs are not immune to the intoxicating effects of alcoholic beverages. Furthermore, alcohol can lead to poor coordination, abnormal acidity, and difficulty breathing. It has the potential to put them in a coma or even kill them. Human vitamins contain 100% of the minerals that are recommended for a human's daily intake. This, however, has the potential to result in a dog overdose. As a result, feeding your dog a vitamin supplement is not advised.